This is the M41 Walker Bulldog, and I just really like this one. You know, it's not necessarily a full-on diorama, because I wasn't really doing those at that point. I was just trying to figure out all the materials and how to use stuff. So, you know, it's also one of the first pine trees that I did. And I think I did okay. I certainly learned a lot. And that's the thing about, you know, when I'm, you know, doing a diorama, is I'm trying to learn with every single one. You know, I want to try new stuff every single time. So I'll show you the groundwork. I'll show you how I built that. Then on the Walker Bulldog, you know, I did a lot to kind of modify it myself. It was me just starting to get into adding things. I scratch built this 50 cal. So the 50 cal is brass. I turned it on my little Unimat lathe. The rest of it I did by hand. I really like this paint job that I did on this. I think it was cool. Now, the funny thing is I never finished the paint job. On the back side here, the side that you just kind of can't see, I never did anything to these wheels back here. I mean, I painted them, but there's no weathering or anything on them. So, you know, it's one of those where I just kind of, you know, it's looking okay and it's fun, but I kind of lost interest in it. I shouldn't do that. I used to do that a lot. You know, if I'm reading a book or something like that and I don't like the way the book's going, I just put it down. People are just like, oh my God, what are you going to do? You don't know what happened. It's like, I don't care. You know, I lost interest in it and I'm done. So, and I didn't really lose interest in this model or the diorama. It was just like I was done, you know, so I didn't finish stuff. It's kind of wacky, but anyway. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this. I am really having a great time looking at my old model builds and the old dioramas I did, you know, a number of years ago. Some of these are 5-6 years old, and I haven't taken a long look at them for, you know, a heck of a long time. I have them all, so that's kind of neat. So they almost become part of the scenery in the shop and the office, and so I don't really look at them. So this has been very fun. I hope you're enjoying it too, and I'm not sure which one I'm doing next. It'll be a mystery, but I'll tell you this week, I'm sure. We'll see ya.